I tested 50 AI tools, most are useless, but these 5 can actually make you money. Some require 0 skills and one literally does the work for you. I'm ranking them worst to best, stay till the end. First, Higgsfield. Use it to grow TikTok and YouTube pages fast and get paid through views and promotions. Next is Nana Banana. Underrated, it gives you content ideas you can post immediately to monetize. Number 3, Grok. Use this to find viral ideas and research trends before everyone else. 4 is Claude Code. People use this to get freelance jobs building simple tools without being expert coders. And number 5, ElevenLabs. Create videos with AI voiceovers and post consistently for YouTube automation. It's crazy. Want my step-by-step guide? Subscribe now and I'll drop the full breakdown.
Hey football fans, tired of dealing with copyright claims on football videos? Now you can create epic football moments with AI video creators like HeyGen. Just describe the moment, mention the players like Mbappe, Ronaldo, or Messi, and let AI do the rest. No more copyright worries. I'll show you how to create a sick football video using HeyGen, showing dribbling skills, goals, and more. All AI generated. I will show you exactly how to create this video. Let's do it.